Boom! What's up, you guys? Thank you for joining. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jeremy. We're going to do another snack review for you here today. Today, I have something called cauliflower tortilla chips. Cauliflower tortilla chips. Very interesting. Never seen anything like this before. These are called cauliflower tortilla chips. I saw these in the store and I figured, okay, let's do a snack food review on these. This might be a healthy alternative to a regular Dorito, right? Because we know how good Doritos taste. But you need a healthy alternative to those snacks that are dense in calories and have a lot of chemicals and a lot of things that aren't good for your body. So on here, I want to review snacks that might be healthy alternatives to those. I've never had these before, so we're going to check them out right about now. Before we go any further, if you're liking my reviews and you like my channel, click the subscribe button, click the notifications button, click that like button. All right, let's get into it. So we're going to jump right into these. These are called From the Ground Up, made from the ground up, cauliflower tortilla chips, grain-free. It says a grain-free cauliflower tortilla chips, nacho flavor, and snacks made with a plant-based twist. Keeping it real, made with cauliflower. It says keeping it real, made with cauliflower. Snacks made with a plant-based twist. So we're going to jump right into these and see how they taste, and then we'll get into the nutritional facts. Let's open up the bag here and see what we have. Bag opened easy. I love that. And okay, that's what they look like right there. That's one of the cauliflower chips. Let's see how they taste. This is going to be the real deal, Holyfield. Wow. These are actually really good. Now, I'm going to admit I've had Doritos before. I've had mini Doritos throughout my life, and these are pretty darn close. It's a real good alternative, and apparently they're made out of cauliflower. So again, from the ground up, cauliflower. These are nacho flavor tortilla chips. Great alternative. Let's flip the bag around and check out the ingredients here, though. All right, so we got on the back here, get up here so you can see this here. We got calories, 140. So you got 140 calories, not too bad. We have total fat, 7 grams. 1 gram of saturated fat. It's not bad at all. I'm not gonna squawk at that. 0 grams of cholesterol. That's great. Most people watching their weight are watching their cholesterol too. So 0 grams cholesterol. We have sodium, 135 milligrams. Okay, that's not too bad. Carbohydrate, 19 grams per serving. Dietary fiber, 2 grams. And we're not eating this for the fiber. We're eating it for a snack. And protein, 1 gram. No protein in here, but we're not eating it for that reason. We're having a snack. So based on the nutrients here, the nutrition facts, is 4.5 servings in a container and 140 calories per serving. So if you eat this whole bag, you got 140 calories, and that's 4.5 servings. So it's going to bump the calories up if you eat the whole bag. So you got to be careful. Even though it's a healthier snack, you got to be a little bit careful with your serving size, even still with a healthy snack, because the calories being at 140, that's not a lot of calories, but if you eat the whole bag, you could run yourself into a problem if you're trying to watch your calories. But let's look at the ingredients and let's see. So the ingredients here, let's see here, where are they? Oh, there we go. Eyes are, gotta look here. All right, so ingredients. We have, get down here, sunflower oil, cauliflower, chia seeds, onion, tapioca syrup, salt, tomato, vegetable blend, spinach, broccoli, carrot, tomato, beet, shiitake mushroom, garlic, spices, paprika extract, lactic acid, natural flavors. So the ingredients in here are great. A lot of vegetables, beets, and all kinds of cool vegetables in here. So this is basically a vegetable chip. And again, it tastes a lot like a Dorito. That's what it looks like right there. Actually really good. Let me do that one more time for you. These are really good. Like I said, it's a great alternative to a Dorito. It's healthier for you. Doesn't have all the chemicals and byproducts in it. It's really good. The ingredients are pure, great ingredients. I give it a thumbs up. And again, 140 calories per serving. So 140 calories isn't a lot, but there's 4.5 servings in this bag. So that's 10 chips. So if you eat 10 of these, that's one serving. That's 140 calories. And let's just be honest with each other right here, right now. Most people when they're eating a snack food don't eat one serving. I know I don't. But even if you ate the whole bag, 140 calories, you're looking at over 500 calories, 600 calories. So that could be a lot depending on what you had for the whole day. But I'm going to go as far as to say that these here get my approval. Again, these are from the ground up cauliflower tortilla chips. Great explosion of flavor here with this. They taste good. Again, great alternative to Doritos. A lot healthier. But still want to watch the calories, even with a healthy snack food. So I'm going to cut this one short because I'm going to go eat the whole bag of these. Sorry. I approve, though. If you see these in the store, go ahead and grab them. Tell them I sent you. These make me want to say, boom! See you soon. Stay tuned for the next snack review. Let me know if there's any snacks you want me to review. I'll give my seal of approval, or I'll tell you not to eat them. It'll depend. But so far, all the snacks I've reviewed, I've been batting 100 on all of them. But if you have any ideas, shoot me a message. These are good. We're out of here.